Welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and look at this, guys. It's arrived after about 2 weeks, so not too bad for the shipping and the radio. So this is the ATS-25 receiver. What you have in the box is the radio, the antenna, telescopic antenna, and a cable for the charging, which is a USB-C cable. And well, that's it. And you've got the headphone jack here. You've got the on-off switch there, and you got an FM shortwave, medium wave, long wave switch here. So what happens when you turn it on? Here we go. This is what it looks like. And here we go. So this is the ATS-25. Works with a touch screen. You got this big button here. Right now I'm in upper sideband. You have the fine tuning that goes this. And of course we will have videos today of me receiving different signals on it. It's a touch screen, so you can choose your band, for example, that you want to go to. So I'll choose right now and choose 19 meters, which is here at the bottom. And it switches, and let's try to get the Supreme Master. Usually comes in well enough. Here we go. So on telescopic, mind you that the computer is right next to it, so really not the best of signals, that's for sure, but volume. So press volume. There we go. Of course, you've got the ham bands, you've got the regular international broadcast bands. You've got a bandwidth switch here where you can switch between bandwidths. As you see, it's a little sluggish. That's what I would say is the biggest problems with this one. There we go, 4 kilohertz. So when you actually go to the different menus, it's a little bit slow, but it works. And RDS on, so on the FM probably gonna have RDS. And kind of cool to see this little radio. So like you see, it takes a little bit of response time, but we're going to be testing it, and I'll be of course giving my review of it, and also for the receive part of it. So it's already almost a miracle that it's actually receiving Supreme Master when you consider that it's next to my computer. So it's finally arrived, and of course if you compare it to the ATS-20 for dimension purposes, what you get is a little bigger of a radio, as you see here. So if we put this one here, you'll notice that the ATS-20 is smaller in size, but does not have that big screen here too. So it kind of looks cool, and of course we'll be testing it and reviewing it, but kind of cool little device. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.